Nah.
You gotta come on, you stay. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, everybody around the world, you are coming to see the best show on earth. You are coming to see the best show on the earth, on the planet. The haters can't stand it. Tell them folks out, we need us, you feel me? Payola, we need us, man.
He say payola.
We ain't doing no line. You talk disrespectful, that's a fine, you feel me?
Can't front to nothing.
I got my boy G, it's me and G, and G set the camera, so everything you see is guaranteed to get you.
What the fuck he said, man?
Hey, look, they the people gonna know, they gonna know. Yeah. We in it.
Home version.
They really see me before though in the flesh. That's what they really want to see, ain't it? Oh, I can't get to them like that though. I don't play the radio.
He's the outplay the radio.
Play the radio, bro.
By period.
Yeah, but we in here though, bro. We got everybody going on. Got day group now. Got day group. What they call? Show them what it is. The projection. Got the projection. Come on, man. Then you can come take a picture with me.
He say come take a picture with me.
We can take a picture with that girl. You take a picture with me. You feel me? I might charge you a fee, but we'll see. You know what I'm saying? If you talking right, you know what I'm saying? Everything check out. It's official. We gotta leave before I do. Look at that bitch. This is crazy. Do the people know you can do that?
Nah.
Damn, you gotta play with this shit when you perform. You gotta, you feel it. Really in the back, I don't know about. Really did on this bitch. But I ain't gonna hear it on the time. Feel hard though, and they turn too. That crush it, bro.
Lean on that bit one time. Ying.
Nigga mess up the performance, tripping.
He too geeky.
I've been grinding for this shit. Ain't no nigga trying to put me on. Show me that pussy good one. I'm trying to see what you want.
Oh,
That
baby.
TikTok song. I'm trying to get out of the light gone.
Nah, that's hard.
I can't get along. How you think about sleep that I got too much shit? How long is it?
He snap.
Hey, what did Mike call it? They do all this? What they call it? Yeah.
I mean, it's the mic is on the stand.
Yeah.
Is that what you mean?
I don't know.
This is more like a stage performance, man.
Yeah.
You know, because it visuals so people can perform.
Yeah.
But it's basically a mic on a bottle drink stand.
Right. That's hard though. That's real, man.
Nah, fool. This is a play.
It'd be hard though. I just thought it was a certain term for it. It's a term for everything.
That's a bottle drink.
Yeah.
It's a bottle drink stand. Performance mic.
Ball trust stand perform might reach out. I need to, you know what I'm saying? You know what I need? The voicemail. Camera. That's how y'all talk to the camera, y'all perform. Let the people know I see you. Which one my bitch like, I see you too. I was crying, I see you too back there. Boy, I stop playing.
Probably do need to. That's a small safety.
That's what I do, man. I do this shit, man, for real. That shit official. Tell you. Don't let me perform, man. I'm gonna get big.
I heard you. Chicken in the city.
That boy said he in the water. I see you, girl. Yeah.